Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And for those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video. Today we will be installing shadow lights. I think it's like the LED door lights, projector thingies. So we're gonna be installing those today. My car already has some, it came with them, but mine are really like faded already. You can like barely see the colors and stuff. Well, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys right now, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and install maybe both on this side, and then I'll wait till nighttime and then I'll show you guys exactly how they look. I just wanted to record this in the day so like there can be good lighting to show you guys how to replace them, but you guys can see them right there. So yeah, I'll probably do these two, and then at night I'll show you guys the difference between these and the other side, and then actually I'll probably do the front two. That way I can just show you guys side by side, like this door and this door, because it's technically the same exact thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, guys. Let me go ahead and get my little tripod and put it right here, face the camera up, and show you guys exactly how to install it. So stay tuned, guys. All right, so real quick, let's go ahead and open this package and show you guys what comes inside. Instruction manual in case you guys don't want to use my video for instructions. And then it's gonna come in this bag. When you open it, there's going to be two cables. I think this is what you use to connect it from the stock harness onto these actual lights. And then it's these actual lights right here. So yeah, it's pretty simple. All you really have to do is take out the old one, disconnect it, and plug this one in. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. I just want to show you guys first what actually comes in the package, and yeah, so let's go. Okay guys, so you guys can see this is like the front of the door right here. If I go ahead and put you guys down. So what you have to do, you guys can see right here there's a little groove. I don't know if you guys can really see that too good, but it's not on the other side. So you just want to go ahead and put your flathead in there, the little groove, and literally just pry out. You guys can actually put the screwdriver down now and just pry out the rest, and you guys can see the actual light just comes out like that. At this point, I'm pretty sure the previous owner installed these, because I think you can get these from the factory, but I'm pretty sure the previous owner installed these, and there's duct tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the duct tape off real quick. All right, so I got the duct tape off. There's literally no reason to put duct tape, guys. Not too sure why they did that, but at this point what you want to do is, this is the stock harness. You want to go ahead and grab the little cable that came in the package and just connect it to the stock harness. There's going to be two holes here, and then these two pins. Just go ahead and connect it, and then this side will connect to the lights that you bought. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention, I will have links to these lights in the description below, and the links are affiliate links, so if you guys want to go ahead and help out the channel, I would really appreciate that, guys. But yeah, alright guys, so now that it's connected, it only connects one way onto here, but the pins over here can connect either way. So what you want to do is go ahead and try it out and see if it turns on like this. It might not turn on. All you would really have to do is take it out, flip the pins, and reconnect it, and then try it out again. But yeah, now that I have these connected, I can just go ahead and tuck the wire in and just push it in just like that. I'm pretty sure they go in either way. Let me see if I can put it another way. Yeah, see, it'll go in either way if you wanted to. You're gonna want to switch this depending which way you want the M to look, or like the M to be facing. So if you want the M to be like this, like facing this way, then obviously you would put it a certain way. If you want to flip it around to where the M is on the other side, then just flip it the way I just showed you guys right now. I would put it this way so you can read it like looking at it this way. I've seen a couple people put it the other way. I'm not too sure why, but yeah, it's totally up to you. Also, guys, just wanted to mention real quick, on here, the stock harness, there's two little holes. Well, I mean, there's four, but only two of them have wires. It's the two smaller holes you guys will see that are on the left side. Sorry if you guys can't really see this too good. I just wanted to mention this real quick just so you guys know where the actual pins are supposed to go in. You will also feel it if you put it in the wrong ones. It'll be like super loose, like obviously it's not connecting, but once you put on the other ones, it'll be a little tighter and snug. that way it doesn't disconnect. Anyways guys, now that I showed you how to actually install it, I will wait till later to actually show you guys what they look like, these new ones compared to the old ones, because the old ones are really faded already. I don't know how long they've actually been on the car. I don't know if they came from factory or if the previous owner put them on at a certain point, but they were starting to look really faded, and I just wanted to get new ones to make it look nicer, and you can really see the M nice, all the 3 colors and everything. So yeah, also guys, just wanted to apologize for the lack of content lately. I've been having a hard time on like video ideas for you guys. Like I said in my previous video, I don't really have too much money right now, because I'm paying off the car and stuff. I don't have too much money to throw at the car for mods, so I'm trying to do some more like inexpensive type of videos, and I'm having a little hard time really getting ideas for videos. But if you guys would like to see more car meets and stuff, then I'll go ahead and try to get out to more car meets, get a little bit more active in the car community. If you guys want to see more stuff like that, I just don't want to make it like too repetitive to the point where it gets boring and you guys don't want to watch it anymore. Also with like cruises and canyon runs, if you guys want to see more of that, I'll go ahead and try to go on drives like that more often and film it for you guys. Again, I just don't want to get too repetitive to the point where you guys are just seeing like canyon runs and cruises and car meets, and like you guys end up getting a little bored of watching it because it's going to be like the same things over and over kind of, unless we get like some really good content from different car meets. But anyways guys, I just want to put that out there real quick. I apologize once again for the lack of content, but hopefully soon we can start pushing out more content for you guys, because we're trying to grow the channel. I'm trying to get more out there in the car community, more known, and you know, just meet more cool people out here, so we can start like collabing, just like hanging out and doing cool car activities. But yeah, just want to put that out there real quick guys. I'll see you guys in like 3 seconds, but it's probably gonna be like a few hours for me. But yeah, I'll see you guys. Alright guys, so it is now darker. As you guys can see, it's pretty dark out here, but I got my little light here so I can show you guys a little bit better, even though you guys are looking at the light, so you don't really need lights. But unfortunately, the ones that they sent me from Amazon are the regular BMW ones and not the M ones. I was hoping to get the M ones, and then also I was hoping to show you guys side by side, but I guess the one on this side officially gave out. So if I go to the other side and open one of these doors, you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's like really faded, there's like a blue tint around it, and you can't even see the actual stripes that good anymore. So that's the reason that I was switching them out. But yeah, you guys can see the same thing over here, and the driver's side one was exactly the same. So that right there is the reason that I decided to switch them out. But unfortunately, if I go ahead and turn this light off, you guys can see it's pretty bright, it looks nice and everything. I did have this one on previous BMWs, including my 535 that I had before, the F10. But I think the M5 deserves to have the M shadow lights. I think they look a lot better on the car. And yeah, I at least was able to show you guys how to install them and like what to expect and stuff. So I'm happy about that. I was able to bring you guys out this video finally. If you guys do want to see what the M1s look like, make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I'll go ahead and put it right here. I will be posting on there once I get the new ones in and I install them. I'll post a story on there on my Instagram so you guys can see how they look, in case you guys were wondering or anything. I'm trying to be a little bit more active on there, like especially when I don't have video ideas or anything, I can at least post on Instagram. Anyways guys, that's what they look like. I actually already marked them as returned, and they're gonna go ahead and pick them up from UPS and ship them back. But yeah guys, sorry that I wasn't able to show you guys the actual lights that we wanted to put on, which was the M ones, the ones I had on before. But at least I was able to show you guys how to install them. If I did help you guys out, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. Also, I had a couple video ideas and I wanted to see if that's something you guys would like to watch. I was thinking of making a video of like the process of me washing my car. It's not really a huge process. I actually do take a while washing my car, but that's only because I take my time and like I pretty much go slow. But it's not a huge process, and I can show you guys like the tools that I use and the soaps and everything. So if that's something you guys want to see, make sure to let me know in the comments below. The second one is launch control video. I think I launched my car maybe once, maybe twice before, but I don't think I've launched this since after that I did the JB4 tune. So I think that'd be pretty cool to film it for you guys if you guys want to see actually how to launch it, because there's like a little process to it, and then maybe I can get some clips from outside so you guys can see how it looks and how it sounds and stuff. So if that's something you guys want to see, make sure to let me know in the comments below as well. But yeah guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Once again, I'm sorry I couldn't really show you guys what I wanted to show you, but at least I was able to show you guys how to install these lights, because I think that's what you guys mainly wanted to see. But yeah, once again, make sure to follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see what the actual M lights look like. With all that being said, guys, I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you guys want to see. And yeah, guys, with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.